Alright guys, I bought 1 kilo na fresh na isda. Dito lang.
Yes, kung dito na mag-
Si Pastor, that's one of my local friends na dito. Nakakatawa siya. He's always nasa likuran ko. So ayun, very very fresh na isda. No? At di pala nila alam yung, I don't know, baka si Kuya lang. Pero taga Chinduan siya. Island. Isang island. Dito sa Kulyo. Alright, so guys, I walk back to my accommodation house para dalahin muna to. After that, lalabas ulit ako para Michelle, I'll chase some sunsets today. Sunsets talaga. I'll chase some sunset today. Alright? Bye! Thank you! 100 ang kilo, tama? Tumawa si Kuya.